It's the third day in Gudauri, and this is our last chance to go to Gergeti before our flight. So hopefully the road is already open, and we book in another hotel. We didn't have any time to vlog it, but this hotel is much better than the other one. It's
in terms of services.
in terms of services, in terms of room. What we can say is the other one is more spacious and more complete, and this one is a bit on tight on space, and yeah, but overall we like this hotel than the other one. This is Hotel Roshi, and it also has a mountain view but a very narrow balcony. So yeah, this is the balcony. See, this is the balcony only, and yeah, mountain view as well. It's a mountain view. Yeah, overall we like this one much better than the other one. They also have a restaurant that has the same mountain view but a different viewpoint, and it's much better to have it there. I mean, to see the mountains there, but we don't have any time because it's just a quick stay, just to sleep for the night and then try again for the Gergeti or the Kazbegi. So yeah, let's head and let's wish that the road is already open.
So guys, the road going to Kazbegi and the military road is still closed now for 3 days, and then I asked the police guy if today is possible that the road will open. He said that it is not possible to open. So here are the cars waiting the road to open. They want to cross borders. They are from Russia and Armenia. Also, I saw some car going to Ukraine. So here it is. Lots of cars. Too many cars. Some cars stayed for a couple of days now because it's the same car that we saw last time. See? They maybe slept inside their cars, or they just checked in to some hotels nearby. So yeah, as you can see, there's Ukraine plate numbers, lots of Russian plate numbers, and Armenian and Georgian plate numbers, because this place is just the border.
The only land border.
Yeah, the only land border going to Russia. To enter Russia, Ukraine, right? I'm not sure about Ukraine, but there's also some cars from Ukraine. I think they want to go to Russia. See, that car is from Russia. Russia again. Ukraine. I don't know what's that. Georgian plate. Russia, Georgian. So that's it, guys. We're heading back to, I don't know,
Kutaisi.
to Kutaisi maybe. Oh, we're heading to also where the King Kali originated, right?
Yes. It's
What is
called
that?
Pasanauri.
Pasanauri.
So the Pasanauri is on the way to Gudauri, and this area is they believe that King Kali was originated on this area. That's why we are going to try the King Kali, because it's our Georgian and Armenian dish favorite.
Free wine.
It's coming from the plastic bottle.
Yeah.
Good?
Good. Good.
Natural, tradition.
Like
Vino.
this.
Cha-cha, eh? This traditional also?
Cha-cha.
Here's the menu of the restaurant Hotel Tradition. Well, according to their name, it's tradition, so you expect a traditional food.
It's good, huh?
I'm going to try the traditional wine, and that is called Vino. It tastes great.
It's 2 olives.
Oh,
Good, good, good.
yeah, it's good, very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
Bibigyan pa niya ako ng isa pa.
Give more. Thank you.
After this.
I'm going to taste the very unique, a very authentic one. Very good. Well, the taste is almost the same. There is not much difference, but yeah, this is coming from the very authentic one, the birthplace of the King Kali. Right now we are on queue for going to Kazbegi, and the road is still closed, and I'm going to wait until maybe 6 p.m. or 8 p.m. or else I need to go back to Caucasus for our flight tomorrow. Hopefully that they're gonna open today, so that I can still go to Gergeti Trinity Church, and also the Georgian and Russian monument, which is one of the most popular tourist attraction here in Georgia. So yeah, we abandoned the plan for today, because according to our research and our plan, these two things is the one that is a must see if you're going to Georgia.
At last, after 3 days, we are moving forward, going to Kazbegi.
Now continuing the road going to Kazbegi, and you can see a lot of this kind of scenery, and it's so amazing and it's so beautiful to see in real life. While on the way to Kazbegi, you will pass by the Russia-Georgia Friendship Monument, or Treaty of Georgevsk Monument. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but it's a monument built in 1983 to celebrate the ongoing friendship between Soviet Georgia and Soviet Russia. What is amazing about this monument is it's on the edge of the cliff, and you can see the whole surroundings of mountain ranges. Unfortunately, right now it's covered with snow, so we cannot pass by. Luckily, we have a drone to take a shot of the monument.
So this is how thick the snow. That's why they close the roads for 4 days. So see,
It's already
in
above
person it's like
maybe around 6 feet.
6 feet. See that car? Almost same level. So yeah, here is Kari driving towards Kazbegi.
Good decision that we just go for U-turn and take a chance to go Kazbegi. But in return, tomorrow we cannot go to any touristic place in Caucasus, and we need to rush. Maybe around 12 we need to go straight to Caucasus because that is 6 hours drive, and our flight is 8 p.m. So yeah, we are going to rush all the things here in Kazbegi, then rush going towards to Caucasus. Yeah, let's enjoy for now, and we are so pleased that we managed to go to Kazbegi.
That's a tunnel. So these are the cars that was
Waiting
Trap.
overnight.
for how many days. They will go to Russia. They will cross the borders. Russia, Ukraine, Georgian and Armenian cars.
That's already the third tunnel that we are here in. That we are passing by.
Because this is the only land border going to Russia.
Still on the way up to Kazbegi, there is a small detour that you can go to Sno Village, which is a small village in between mountains, and you can see some animals and also a famous sculptures here in Georgia.
While going up to Kazbegi, there's a little detour and you can go to Sno Village. Before the village, there is a lot of statue created by the Georgian sculptor, and it was here in the front of the village. It's amazing because it's my first time to see this kind of sculpture, and here it is. See, it's huge actually, and you can see like 12 of them in just one spot. So it's a bit it's a worth it to visit while going to Kazbegi. Oh, this one is the most perfect one for me. Yeah. We are on our room in Kazbegi and look at the view of the mountain. The whole wall is a window, so even if you're just lying on the bed, you can see the mountains. It's so nice. The only thing is we don't have a TV here, but it's okay. It is a whole cabin actually, and we have also a balcony that is facing the whole balcony that is facing the mountain. So this is our cabin. The hotel name is Kazbegi View, and yeah, it's a very good hotel to see the mountains in front. We are about to go to Gergeti, but the thing is now it's a bit dangerous, so we decided to go back. See, the road is still icy. We are going down. We decided to go down. I don't want to risk my life and my wife's life in the end. Yeah, even if we waited for 3 days, in the end we don't want to risk our life. Our life is more important. Yeah, see you, and we are going back to Caucasus.